Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is June 4th, 2025, and we are going to analyze Amazon, ticker symbol Amazon. We'll be looking at recent news and technical charts to get a grasp of where Amazon's stock might be headed. Recent news highlights that Bill Ackman's Pershing Square took a large stake in Amazon back in April, citing an extremely attractive valuation and anticipating over 20% earnings growth. However, economic uncertainty and potential tariffs could pose headwinds, impacting e-commerce and overall growth. On the other hand, Amazon Web Services, or AWS, continues to be a strong performer, with significant investments being made in AI infrastructure. Analysts have issued a moderate buy rating, with an average 12-month price target of $244.57, suggesting an upside of nearly 20% from current levels. Now, let's dive into the charts and see how these factors are reflected in the price action. Looking at the one-day chart, we can observe the overall trend of Amazon over the past year. Notice the volatility in early April 2025, with a sharp dip followed by a strong recovery. The stock price has generally been trending upwards since then, but recently, it looks like it has stabilized into a more horizontal trend, indicating a resistance level around the 207 level. There seems to be some support at the 170 to 180 price range, though we aren't nearing those levels currently. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart for a closer look at recent price action. Here, we can see a more granular view of the trading patterns. Notice that the price has been oscillating between the 205 to 208 price levels. This could indicate a period of consolidation as the market digests recent news and awaits new catalysts. It's crucial to monitor these levels closely for potential breakouts or breakdowns, which could signal the next major move. Let's dive into the 15-minute chart to see if we can identify any near-term trading opportunities. We can see that recently, the price has not been above the 208 price range, so that may serve as a short-term resistance. Looking at May 30th through June 3rd, we can see it's mostly stayed between the 205 and 206 range. The price has recently broken from this range, but it's not clear if it's a solid breakout from the resistance level or not. In summary, Amazon is currently trading around $205.71. Key price levels to watch include the resistance around $208 and support around $170 to $180. A break above $208 could lead to a bullish move towards the analyst's target of $244.57. However, failure to hold above $205 could signal a bearish trend, potentially testing lower support levels. Based on the news and chart data, the probability of reaching $244.57 is moderate, around 60%, contingent on AWS, continued success, and managing tariff impacts. A drop to $170 to $180 is less likely, around 30%, but could occur if broader economic conditions worsen significantly. Keep an eye on upcoming earnings reports and any major announcements regarding AI investments or trade policies, as these will likely influence the stock's direction. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts. Remember to like and subscribe for more market analysis.